Welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Please wear a helmet while riding and be safe. Today we have an interesting video on Ola electric scooter. So please watch our video without skipping to know all the details. Nowadays companies started focusing on the electric vehicle segment more than usual, resulting in a bunch of upcoming electric vehicles very sooner than expected. In a rather interesting turn of events, Chairman and Group CEO of Ola, Bhavesh Agarwal took the Ola scooter out for a spin. This sure means that the Ola scooter is ready for launch in India, and the launch can happen as soon as later this month. While the video of the ride clearly speaks about the various aspects which can be expected from the electric scooter, some more features have been revealed in turn. But before we get to the scooter, let's tell you the status of the factory in which the scooter will be produced. The company announced a 2,400 rupees crore MoU with the Tamil Nadu government in December 2020 and rapidly completed the land acquisition in January this year. Ola's megafactory will have an initial capacity of 2 million units a year in Phase 1 and will serve as the company's global manufacturing hub for its range of electric-powered scooters and two-wheelers across India and international markets including Europe, UK, Latin America, Asia Pacific, Australia, and New Zealand. The factory is also expected to be the country's most automated, with about 5,000 robots and automated guided vehicles in use once it is operational to its full capacity. Quite simply, electric is the way forward, and Ola is all set to disrupt the electric two-wheeler segment with the launch of the Ola scooter. However, the Ola scooter began life as the Itergo app scooter made by a Dutch startup company that Ola acquired in 2020. While the Itergo was the base, Ola claims to have worked on every aspect of the scooter to suit Indian conditions. As far as looks go, the Ola scooter still looks very close to the Dutch scooter it is based on. It features a single-sided suspension up front and also a rather interesting twin LED headlight pod up front. The scooter will also feature under-seat storage which can take in two half-face helmets. Needless to say, the Ola scooter will come with an app to control various functions. As per the Ola CEO's tweet, the scooter will be available in black color by default and with some other colors which yet to known. It achieves 0 to 60 km/h in less than 10 seconds. The company's press statement reveals that the upcoming Ola electric scooter can be charged to 50% in just 18 minutes, and this will give a 75 km range. That said, the brand has clearly given an idea of the range of the scooter, which, in all certainty, would be at least 150 km on a single full charge. And one can expect the bike's top speed to be somewhere around 80 km/h to 100 km/h. And it also comes with a removable lithium-ion battery, fully digital instrument console, cloud connectivity, and more. Apart from offering best-in-class features, expect the Ola scooter to also offer the best-in-class range. It also features Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a trip meter. The Ola scooter is expected to perform at par with 125 cubic centimeters internal combustion powered scooters. The company is also looking to build a wide network of hypercharging stations and battery swapping facilities to address the range issue of all upcoming electric two-wheelers. After the introduction of the revised FAME 2 policies recently, Ola is expected to keep the price of its e-scooter very competitive. Please let us know in the comments if you are waiting for an electric bike with enough range and top speed. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.